The possible implementation of an African Monetary Cooperation Program, AMSP, tops the agenda list for these governors from the larger East African region, with Tanzania attending as an observer member. The African Monetary Cooperation Program therefore aims at attaining macroeconomic convergence for member nations with set targets on the overall budget deficit to GDP ratio, which includes, among other things, specific emphasis on lowering inflation rates. And so on Wednesday, the central bank governors met to evaluate the progress made so far.
Starting this month, East Africans are able to move, live and do business in any of the 5 partner states, devoid of bureaucratic processes.
We do believe that policy convergence and even uniformity is the first thing that we should achieve.
The CBK governor stressed the need to have a similar policy within the region in order to encourage member states to trade with one another, citing Kenya's 43% exports to the region as a success story. However, skeptics may wonder how realistic this is, considering other regional bodies like the European Union have never had a full monetary convergence for all its members, in spite being in existence for decades. And in fact, nations like Greece are wallowing in financial constraints. But not to be deterred by that, East African Community Partner States have 2012 as the deadline to have a monetary union and hopefully a single currency.
We have almost common or uniform policies in terms of monetary policy, exchange rate policy, except a few countries with a few controls, which they are phasing out.
Hence, economic growth in the region needs to be driven by massive investments from amongst partner states. Zawadi Mdibo, KTN, Business Today.